Over the weekend, Bong Joon-ho became the first South Korean director to win the top prize at the Cannes Film Festival, the Palme d'Or, for his film Parasite. This afternoon, he arrived back in Seoul to a hero's welcome. Our Yoon Jung-min takes a closer look at this award-winning film.
Bong Joon-ho arrived home from France Monday afternoon. At the world-famous Cannes Film Festival on Saturday, Bong won the top prize for his latest movie Parasite. The black comedy, which uses satire to highlight the gap between the rich and poor, has been acclaimed by critics and viewers, even garnering an 8-minute-long standing ovation after its screening at Cannes. Experts see the movie as a potential game-changer for the South Korean film history.
This year is the 100-year anniversary of Korean cinema, so it's a very timely award. And so with lots of news coverage about the Korean film industry, it's encouraging to see it is a healthy industry.
Bong has been lauded for his meticulous quality of work and attention to detail. As well as his stunning cinematography, he makes use of satire and humor to shine a light on social irregularities. Bong's 2003 hit Memories of Murder uses satire to jab at the incompetence of state power. Bong's 2006 release The Host satirizes the helplessness of people within society as a family has to fight a monster alone to save their daughter. His signature themes appear again in his later works, Snowpiercer in 2013 and Okja in 2017. Parasite includes and builds on similar themes. While shooting his films, Bong has always paid extra care to his child actors in particular and emphasized the need to stick to the maximum working hour rule to improve working conditions for those on set. Along with Bong's success, his go-to actor Song Kang-ho has been with him almost every step of the way after they first worked together in Memories of Murder more than 15 years ago.
I've been working as an actor for nearly 20 years, and it's a wonderful job. It's been such a blessing and honor to work with such a wonderful director over the years.
Bong Joon-ho's Parasite hits cinema screens across South Korea on Thursday. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.